Hello, friend. Welcome back. I hope you are well, guys. In our previous section, we'll discuss about the whole things: how to update your profile, how to upload your image, how to update your password, each and everything. I hope you will be understand. Now today we will discuss about our admin section, admin section and admin section. We will doing the same things as I mentioned it before of instructor. I just move in here. Just credential is log out. Go to our not a instructor login. We will go through our admin login credential, which will be best. Our admin email was admin at the rate example dot com, and our password will password. I hope it will be well. Just check it. And yes, this is our admin credential, but we are not put any route or something. So better, first of all, we will create the same pages and the same procedure I will follow. So now go to our VS Code. This is our VS Code. Better, I just initially I just remove all of our files and move step by step, and just we are doing copy paste actually. So better, first of all, create a controller. Okay, so we need here instructor profile controller. So better we make a controller PHP artisan make controller, hmm, admin profile controller. Just a bit. Good. So here we need all of the route, and you will understand why we are making a service a repository and is and everything. Just reuse of entire things actually. So better here just put admin profile controller. Come on. And all of the places I just move to copy and paste. Better move, paste. Just okay. Now here we just admin profile controller, not to make any file or anything. So better we first initially go to our instructor profile controller. Instructor profile controller. This was our instructor profile controller. So first of all, I make a page actually. I need to make page. Mm, admin profile controller. Okay. Backend instructor profile index not will be the instructor, it will be our admin. But page is not created, so go to our admin folder and backend admin. Now here just make, oh sorry, just make another folder called profile. Very good. Now make a index file, index dot blade dot php. Boom. Just make a copy. Actually, the entire things with the similar work for instructor and the necessary file, everything will be clear. I hope. So, if you have any queries, uh, what happened? Doc type, what is doc type here? Include section, the instructor credential head. It's not needed actually. Why title is came? No, 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 no. Who is thinks is not correct actually. Okay, I make a mistake actually. This was our login page. We not need for login page. We just need for profile index.blade.php, but not needed actually. Not login page will be copied. I need only instructor to lay just paste and here. So it not the appropriate things here back in instructor dot master and not an instructor master. It will be admin dot master. User profile, not an user profile, as a admin profile. You just call it admin. This is our admin credential. All right. Okay. Back in instructor profile sidebar, not instructor profile sidebar. It will be though both file is same, but we will keep the separate file. We not make yet a profile sidebar. And now we will create another file as admin folder. After admin will be parent folder, and this folder is profile. And now create admin dot sidebar dot blade dot php. Also make another file setting dot blade dot php, but I will work later. But I make a file at this moment. Setting dot blade dot php. And the next section I will be discuss about this, but in this section I just focus only index. So now back into admin profile sidebar. So just copy for this the instructor sidebar, uh, index. This is the admin sidebar, and just paste. Here A to Z will be, it will be nice. Mm, but admin folder, you will keep a lot of things here. Actually, there's need for instructor actually, but it will be also okay. Just check for that initially. After that, we will be discuss and go to our browser. As this is our page, just keep reload first things, and when the reload, now go to the profile. This profile is not work because route is not initialized. So again back for our VS code. First you will be go to the header actually. This admin index.blade.php and index.blade.php is rendering the component of master, and master you will get the master, and after going to the master you get the sidebar, you get the header. Go to header. I'll be sure that not initialize in the route. Look at that. I will route initialize our instructor, but not an admin. So just put here the route. Route will be admin dot profile. Admin dot admin dot profile. Admin dot profile, and it will be the admin dot setting. Route come on, admin dot setting. Perfect. Admin dot setting. Here is everything. Route will be initialized. Just check for that second. Go to the browser. Now go to once again, keep reload. Now go to the profile page. Yes, the profile page is here. Actually, admin not necessary for this such type of field, like city, country, gender. But you also keep it. Not so problem. Not a problem for that. You keep it. So better. We just point out. So first, we just need to update. Admin profile cider multi-part folder. Look at that instructor profile store. It's not the instructor profile store. It will be admin dot profile dot store. I'll discuss in actually I have discussed about our previous section instructor. So how does this work? So if you not check this section, please, I will humble request to try for every section to section or part whatever you say. But you if you keep focus of your sequence, I will be sure that you will be understand each and everything. Because of that, I will share my knowledge according of my best. If I got any mistake, please comment below, and I will try for and recover for this as soon as possible, and also help for this. Now, go to our instructor controller. Why is our instructor controller sidebar? Index.php. Look at that is instructor profile controller, and here is the store. Here is the store function. So first of all, we make a initialize all of the constructor. I hope constructor, what is constructor, you will be cleared. Before in our instructor section, I will be discuss each and everything, and it will be very important. I just now the ninja technique will become. I just call the function and work automatically. Profile. This is the magic of microservice architecture. One file you will be created, and you just called automatically and it will work. Password update service. Password update service just called. Now here we will work some. Look at our request. Just copy admin profile. Just past profile request. Just initialize the class. Okay, profile request done. Profile request. So say profile success on profile request. I will be sure it will be work, but check for this. Go to the browser. Now this is our browser. Keep the reload the page and try. Is it work or not? First of all, city, city maybe Melbourne. Melbourne, I just check it. Is it work or not? Yes, profile updated successfully. Profile updated successfully. Come on. Look at a country. Country will be Australia, and it will be work. And yes, and now we will also test. Is it image work or not? Okay, friend. Image is work or not? We just go to our, yeah, and look at the update, and boom, profile updated successfully. Is everything is will be work, and this is the magic things, the microservice architecture. I didn't make any image data inserted process, not making normal data insert process. One time I will be created, I just need to be called and automatically work. Okay, let's see our next video. If you like my channel or my tutorial, please like it and subscribe of my channel, because your small contribution to grow a lot and inspire me to make a new video. So thanks everyone.